Whispers of the Ancient Willow. In the heart of evergreen forest, where the sunlight danced through emerald leaves and the wind sang sweet lullabies, there stood an ancient willow tree. Its long, silver-green branches touched the earth gently, as if whispering secrets to the soil. All the forest animals respected the willow. They said it was the oldest and wisest being in the forest. It had seen hundreds of seasons, storms, and sunrises. One day, a young rabbit named Lumi hopped to the willow's roots, her eyes full of worry. "Great willow," she said softly, "the forest pond is drying up. Without water, we'll have nothing to drink." The willow's leaves rustled as if sighing. "Little one," it whispered, its voice like the wind, "nature always finds balance, but sometimes she needs a helping heart." Lumi's ears perked up. "What should I do?" "Follow the song of the stream," said the willow. "It will guide you to the source." So Lumi set off, listening closely. Faintly, she heard the gurgle of distant water. She followed it past rocks, ferns, and sunflowers until she found something surprising, a pile of fallen branches blocking the stream's flow. With all her might, Lumi began to tug and push. Soon, other animals arrived: Tico the squirrel, Bina the bird, and even Oro the old tortoise. Together, they cleared the blockage. At last, the water flowed freely again, dancing back to the pond. When they returned to the willow, its leaves shimmered like silver in the breeze. "You have learned nature's wisdom," it whispered. "When all living beings work together, harmony returns." Lumi smiled proudly. From that day, the animals promised to care for the forest, and whenever the wind blew through the ancient willow's branches, they could still hear its gentle whisper, "Protect the balance, and nature will protect you." Moral of the story: when we care for nature and work together, the earth rewards us with life, beauty, and balance. So kids, share your thoughts and what you learned from this story. We'll be back soon with another tale. Until then, keep smiling, stay happy, and don't forget to subscribe and share our channel so every child can learn from these beautiful stories. Thank you and goodbye.